Hey guys, welcome to MathJoy. In this video we want to find the value of this fraction 9 minus 6 divided by 3 over 6. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. Instead of this fraction we can write parentheses the numerator 9 minus 6 divided by 3 divided by denominator which is 6. Okay? And now we have this parentheses and this division. As we know, a parenthesis has higher priority than other operations. So first we have to handle this parenthesis. And inside this parenthesis we have this subtraction and this division. According to the order of operations, division has higher priority than subtraction. So first 6 divided by 3 which equals 2. So we have parenthesis 9 minus 2 divided by 6. Now 9 minus 2 gives us 7. So we have 7 divided by 6. Okay, we can write 7 over 6. And now we can convert this improper fraction to a mixed number. Okay, 7 can be written as 6 plus 1. 6 plus 1 over 6. And 6 divided by 6 gives us 1. So we can write 1 and 1 over 6. So our final answer to this problem is just 1 and 1 over 6.